How to add contact widgets to your iPhone. This particular process helps you to quickly call somebody without navigating to the dialer or contacts apps on your iPhone. This is an amazing feature. But guys, before you go into this process, make sure that your iPhone is up to date. Go to settings, general, then go to software update. If there is any update on your device, try as much as you can to update your device to the latest version so that you're able to enjoy all the important things we share on this channel. Now, on any space, any free space on your iPhone, tap and hold, tap on this edit button, then tap on add widgets. Once tap on add widgets, then scroll up from here until you see contacts. Now tap on it. You can as well manually enter contact here, then tap on it. Once tap on it, you have this option. Now you see that contacts, then you can swipe at this from 1 to 4, then 4 to 6. So that also depends on you. So let me add to 6. Tap on this add widget. Doing so, guys, brings you to this interface. You may tap on done. Now tap on it again. Now tap on this. You can see once you tap on it on any of those button, it flips down. Then you can add contact to rate. So tap on this button and select any contact you want to use. So I will leave that as it is. Then once you done that, tap out. That brings us here. Then tap on the next one. Then tap on the name. Then scroll up and add another name. Then tap out. So that's all, guys. Once you've done setting all these, tap on done. Then boom. You are here now to make call with any of these lists on my contacts. Just tap on the name, then it comes up like this. Then click on or tap on this name or the call button, the video call, the information and others. So guys, that is all the simple tricks on how to add contact widget to your iPhone home screen, thereby make a call as fast as possible. If you don't enjoy this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.